Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. Today we are going to discuss procrastination, something that bugs each and every one of us on a daily basis. We discuss procrastination on all different sides of why we procrastinate, how to stop procrastinating, and to move forward in life. I'm sure all of you can identify with what I am speaking about. The constant putting off, the act of, or the habit of constantly procrastinating, especially when you know something needs your immediate action, you keep putting it off. Let's talk about a day-to-day type of things that we do. So first thing in the morning we procrastinate is that we supposed to wake up at a certain time, we have an alarm, but procrastination allows us now to snooze the alarm, because in our minds we need more sleep and we can sleep a little bit more, right? A little bit more, like that's gonna do something for you, and now you have to now hurry to get ready to go to work because you decided you needed to take longer to get out of your bed. Let's just say today we are working from home. We procrastinate. Should I bathe today? Should I wash my hair today? Should I comb my hair today? After all, I am not supposed to go anywhere. I could stay without bathing. I could stay in my pajamas all day long. We procrastinate, not going to bed, or not combing our hair, or not fixing ourselves appropriately, right? And next thing you know, there's an emergency and you have to run out, and you now have to scamper and hustle to get out. Another famous procrastination is we tend to don't want to clean our rooms, we don't want to clean our cars, we don't want to like if we supposed to carry the dog for a walk, we say I'll carry the dog this afternoon, and next thing, for those of you all who live in different countries, have different seasons, let's say it's snowing and you don't want to carry out the dog, but because you procrastinated in the morning time, it's now snowing in the afternoon time. So now the dog didn't get a walk because you procrastinated in the morning time because you wanted to sleep more. And you said, oh, I'll carry out the dog. And now the dog is going to suffer now because you procrastinated not carrying out your dog. So that's just little examples of procrastinating. For me, on the whole, my procrastination is basically I took a long time to decide if I want to start my business, and this is where the procrastination gets real for me, because you're procrastinating over and over, and years passing, months passing, and every year, next year I'll start. Oh, I'll do it next time, I will do it another day. Oh, for me now, what I have been procrastinating about is, other than our online business, I have been procrastinating of having a business where I cook and sell food, right? Certain type, like I specialize in a certain type of food, right? that is easy to make, and I can freeze and take orders and in that category. And I have been procrastinating since when I decided to do this. I have been procrastinating since June. Yes, since June I said okay, I will do this, and I have been procrastinating, and only today, which is October, I decided to make the first step into preparing, like doing budget up and everything, how much it's gonna cost, how much I'm gonna sell my product for, and so forth. So yeah, procrastination is definitely the thief of time that tends to affect us all. What we need to do in order to try and take control of our lives and not be procrastinating and putting off, or for those of you who are studying and like you're doing online classes, you have a paper that was given to you to do weeks ago. You gave a deadline date, they gave a deadline date, and you decide, I have more than enough time. That's what we keep telling ourselves. We have more than enough time. We just don't want to do it. We have this pattern of putting off, avoiding it, finding a way to say, oh, I'll have more than enough time to do it, I can do it next week. Yes, I'll put that day next week, and then that day comes and then we put it off again when we're supposed to be really getting it done. And in other words, we keep hurting ourselves, because when we put off stuff, we now put the pressure on ourselves and stress out ourselves, and in the end stress out ourselves, we stress out our families, because we all trying to do all these things that come and pack up on us, one on top of each other, over and over, and the process just keeps starting all over again. You keep going around this merry-go-round of procrastination, which tends to hurt us all. So let's talk about how we're gonna fix this problem of procrastinating. So first step of how to end procrastination, I look at it as biting the bullet, right? It sounds kind of violent, biting the bullet, but trust me, this is going to help you. So biting the bullet is that you just do it. Just do it and stop procrastinating, because in the long run, when you use your binoculars and you look down the road, things that you know that you could have done yesterday and you did not do it, and you wait till today to do it. The weather could have changed. Plants grow, right? While you're taking your time to do something. And a saying I learned at a young age is that while the sun is hot, how does it go? Do things while the weather is good. Basically the saying, I can't remember the saying right now, but you're basically doing what it is you could do while the weather is hot. Strike while the pan is hot, while the fire is hot. As in, I try when I'm doing stuff in my house and cleaning and stuff, once I have the energy to do whatever I need to do, I try and do as much as possible, because I may get busy doing something else and I may forget or do something that may cancel it out altogether, and it end up getting done quite next month. So bite the bullet, get it done. If it is you can't get all done at the same time, do little pieces at a time. Do small pieces. Organize yourself. Have a schedule how it is you're going to get it done. Do not wait till it pack up on you to do it. Organize and set out to do it. Once you set out to do it, do not procrastinate again. Just get it done. So tip number 1, bite the bullet. Tip number 2, whatever task or whatever project you're looking to take on or do, that it is you're going to bite the bullet, try to start with try to start with the most heaviest part first, or you could start with the most lightest part first. It's up to you how your brain works, but I will go with the heavier part first, so you do the most you could now, and then later on, when it is you're putting in time for the smaller parts, it would become less strenuous on you. So I will say, do what it is you could do first. Do the bigger part first, and also with that, do the stuff that it is you'll find more joy in doing. In other words, because if it is you find more joy in doing it, you're quicker to go and do it faster. If it is you find a little joy in doing it. I mean, cleaning your room and cleaning out is not joyful for all persons. Not all people enjoy cleaning, I would say. But put on some music and get it done. That is fun, right? Music, listening to all kind of different kind of music. It's all according to the type of music you like. But it's just a matter of it getting it done. Step number 3, I will definitely say ignore distractions, because trust me, as long as you're in this world, there will be distractions there to distract you from getting things done, from moving on in life, from going out towards your dreams, from starting a new business, from washing your car, from cleaning your room. Your phone will ring, your child will cry. I mean, try to avoid distractions. Try to order your day in a way that this time you have to feed the baby, this time you have to bathe the baby, this time you have to cook, this time you have to go and make groceries. Have a schedule. It's sounding like if it is like a military kind of thing, but trust me, it works. Having a schedule works. So when you look at your schedule or your to-do list, have a to-do list for the day. You know what it is you miss out, what it is you did not do today, so you can make sure and get it done the next day. But once it is you're getting it done the next day, make sure that you don't leave it out, because there are only 24 hours in a day. Let's be for real. If it is we had any extra days in a year, we will not be able to manage any extra days, much more any extra hours. Yet we think we need more hours in a day. Trust me, we won't be able to make it. But procrastination is something that you could beat. As in, if you organize yourself, if you start earlier, you could do what it is you did not do the day before and push it in early the next morning. You get what I'm saying? So that is step number 3. Try and ignore the distractions. Try and control your day. Don't let your day control you. And just be productive as possible. Try and be productive as possible. Things like scrolling on Facebook and scrolling on Instagram. Once it's not being productive, and nobody said anything is wrong with taking a break, but once you realize hours are passing and it's not helping you in any way, I'll say you're only wasting time, and the procrastination category. You have now run into the category of the procrastinating lane. Yes, there's a procrastinating lane. I just made that up. I just made the procrastinating lane up, and we tend to dash in that lane very easy, and we need to stop it in order to be able to move forward in life, in order to be productive in life, in order to be disciplined in life. We need to stop darting in that lane, as it were. Step 4, meditation. I'll say this is a big one, and this may help some, this may not help some, but it does help me to stop procrastinating. Meditation is a very, very big. So meditation for me, on the whole, I'll say it definitely makes you focus on what it is you have to do more, makes you be more consistent in what it is you have to do, give you clarity on what it is you have to do. On a daily basis, I try to meditate at least 3 times a day. So it has worked. It has helped me in getting things done. I would like to introduce you to a program I've been doing for the past few months called the Overnight Millionaire. It's by Wesley Virgin, and he teaches you how to be consistent, how to write down your goals, how to journal, how to be organized, how to stop procrastinating and go forth and fulfill your dreams and do whatever you need to do, instead of be a procrastinating person, constantly letting this thing thief your time. Because let's be for real now, time is something you can't buy. Time, once that time is gone, it's lost. You cannot. We constantly try to do things to make up time, but yet it keeps beating us because we procrastinate and we let it take our time when we're supposed to be doing something productive, when we're supposed to be doing something to reach for our goals, to reach for the stars, to reach towards our dreams, you know. So I think this particular program called the Overnight Millionaire could help you a lot. So besides the other 3 tips I gave prior, meditation is included in the Overnight Millionaire program, and I believe it's truly helpful when it comes to concentration and focusing, and giving you a clear head as in what you need to do, and what is important to what is least important, to make you concentrate on what it is you really want in life. And I think it will be very, very useful to you. Very, very useful. I will just at the end of this particular video, I'll just like you to please like and subscribe to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. You know I have given you value, good value, in how to help against procrastinating. Don't go down that lane. Do not go down that procrastinating lane. We want to move forward and be as productive as possible, and don't let the thief of time take your time. Okay? I hope I have given you value. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time on Chrissy's Point of View.